Welcome back, folks. Today, we are going to explore an interesting concept that has the potential to make you rich: inflation. Now, before you roll your eyes and dismiss it as something negative, let's dive into how you can actually use inflation to your advantage to get rich. So grab a pen and paper because you're about to uncover some powerful strategies. To start, let's quickly understand what inflation is. Inflation refers to the general increase in prices of goods and services over time. It means that the purchasing power of your money decreases as the cost of goods and services go up. While this may seem like a problem, if you play your cards right, inflation can actually work in your favor. Strategy 1. One way to leverage inflation is through real estate investment. Historically, real estate tend to appreciate over time, often outpacing inflation. By investing in properties, you can potentially benefit from both the appreciation of the property value and rental income. Let's say you buy a property for $200,000 today, and over the next decade, inflation drives up the property value to $300,000. You've just made $100,000 profit thanks to inflation working in your favor. It's important to carefully select properties based on factors such as location, potential for development, and rental demand. Rental income from properties can also increase with inflation, allowing you to generate passive income. Additionally, you may consider leveraging your investment by obtaining a mortgage, taking advantage of low interest rates, and potentially increasing your returns. Strategy 2. The stock market can be another powerful tool for using inflation to your advantage. During periods of inflation, companies that can adjust their prices and adapt to rising costs often perform well. By investing in these companies, you can potentially benefit from their growth and increased profitability. Look for companies with strong fundamentals, sustainable business models, and a history of successfully navigating inflationary periods. Research their financials, competitive advantages, and market positioning. It's important to note that investing in stocks comes with risks, so diversifying your portfolio and considering a long-term investment strategy are prudent approaches. Strategy 3. Commodities have long been regarded as a hedge against inflation. As the general price level rises, the value of commodities such as gold, silver, oil, and agricultural products tends to increase as well. Investing in commodities can be done through various means, such as purchasing physical assets, commodity futures contracts, or commodity-focused exchange-traded funds, ETFs. However, keep in mind that commodity prices can be volatile, influenced by factors such as supply and demand dynamics, geopolitical events, and market sentiment. Thorough research and staying updated with market trends are crucial when investing in commodities. Strategy 4. Diversification is a key principle in any investment strategy, and it plays a crucial role when leveraging inflation. By diversifying your portfolio across different asset classes, you can potentially reduce risk and capture opportunities in various sectors. Inflation index assets such as Treasury Inflation Protected Securities or TIPS are specifically designed to protect against inflation. These bonds adjust their value in response to changes in inflation, ensuring your investments keep pace with rising prices. TIPS can provide a guaranteed return above inflation, making them an attractive option for preserving purchasing power. Additionally, consider other investment options like diversifying into international markets, investing in businesses with strong pricing power, or even exploring alternative investments like real assets, example infrastructure, commodities, natural resources, or private equity. Each of these options carries its own risks and rewards, so it's important to conduct thorough research and consider professional advice. Strategy 5. Another effective strategy to utilize inflation for wealth accumulation is by investing in income-generating assets. These assets have the potential to provide a steady stream of cash flow that can increase with inflation over time. Income-generating assets can include dividend-paying stocks, bonds, rental properties, and even businesses. Dividend-paying stocks in particular can be attractive as many companies tend to increase their dividends in response to inflation. Similarly, rental properties can provide a reliable source of income that can be adjusted with inflation through periodic rent increases. When considering income-generating assets, it's crucial to evaluate the stability of the income stream, the potential for growth, and the risk factors associated with each investment. Diversifying across different income-generating assets can further enhance the overall risk-reward profile of your portfolio, helping you make the most of inflationary conditions while building long-term wealth. Leveraging inflation to build wealth requires careful consideration and strategic decision-making. By exploring strategies such as real estate investment, stock market investments, commodities, diversification, and investing in income-generating assets, you can benefit from the positive effects of inflation on your investments. However, it's important you remember that all investments come with risk, and there are no guarantees of success. Thorough research, understanding your financial goals, and seeking professional advice are vital to make informed investment decisions. By adopting a long-term perspective and staying disciplined in your approach, you can harness the power of inflation to your advantage and work towards achieving financial prosperity over time. Let me know in the comments which strategy you intend to explore. Have you already tried any of these strategies? We'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And as always, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.